This is the Look Solutions Tiny S. It's a small, compact, battery-operated fogger, perfect for concealing inside of props and tight spaces. The Look Solutions Tiny S comes with all the materials and equipment you need to produce terrific fog effects. The device is so small it easily fits in the palm of your hand. The Tiny S is very simple to set up and operate. Remove both end caps from one of the fluid reservoirs and insert and screw it into the Tiny S. Then insert the battery and twist to lock it in position. The Tiny S can be operated using the included wired remote. Simply plug the remote control cable into the controller and the other end into the Tiny S. And you're ready to produce terrific looking fog. The Tiny S can even be operated using the optional wireless remote control, making it even easier to conceal. Just plug in the wireless receiver into the Tiny S, conceal them, and push a button. The Tiny S is so small, it'll even fit in some tailpipes. Here's a gratuitous shot of a saber-toothed tiger skull with fog coming out of it. Pretty neat, right? What effects will you create with the Tiny S? Find the Look Solutions Tiny S at rogergeorge.com.